Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my new channel Forex Surfers for the market analysis for currencies and commodities as well. And thanks to everybody who subscribed for my channels. And this is my disclaimer. This channel was started for an education purposes only, not for the investment. And I am teaching how to analyze the Forex, commodities and the equity market, and to trading them according to my personal view with Elliot wave theory. And view may change for the each Elliotian traders, not to the same as mine. Okay, and you can learn Elliot waves, and even I can also learn more from your comments from the experienced trader through Elliot waves. I keep learning the market every day. I will teach not only the Elliot waves with some technical tools around us. I am not a fundamental and sentiment trader. I will trade and trading and traded with the 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on my Elliot waves and the technicals only. And my ambition is to create the awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because of treating this as business like a gambling. And friends, this is full and fully educational only. Okay, you mind that? And this is my personal view only. And this view will change to every Elliotian. Okay, and we will go to that my analysis. Okay, this is and one more thing I need to share with you. So once again we will start from that gold. This is my gold chart, what I analyzed through the Elliot waves. So I have already did my analysis everything before that. So I have already did my in my Facebook page. So this is my positional view for that gold according to that Elliot waves. Okay, first you need to know the basic Elliot wave straps. One second, we'll pause this, move to that. Yeah, this one. So from the basic, that 1143 is the low. After that it made a three-way swing. Once again, yeah, now pass. So after that, this is three waves movement to the 1375, and I marked as a W. It's a A, 5 waves and then 3 waves as an expanded flat, and the B, and this is the C to that W, it's make a W. And after that again it's a correction for this move for the W, and the next is the X. Again it's also a three-way movement, and after this is the five-way movement of the leading diagonal, three of everything, the five waves, three and then again five and again three correction for the third wave, and as a fifth wave, and to the end the A. So after once we completed the five waves in A, and we have to look for the correction for the A wave as a B wave for the three-way movement here. So it's already completed for that 1160. I think it was that Apple production has stopped or something happened to reduce their manufacturing. So this is a flash crash of the 1160 is the low. Then after then we have lot of ideas has around us. According to this, so A, B, C, D, and then again E as a making a triangle, and then again everybody is expected to down movement, and it shoots to the upside. So this is the everybody looking for the bearish, but extend to the bullish. So once we cross this 1375, we consider is a bullish movement. So everything, so A, B, C, D and E is invalid for the bearish triangle. Now what happens is the triangle maybe is this one is A, B, C, D and E, and this is A and this is a B, and we are the C movement. But in my view, this ABC is a three-way movement and another ABC is a three-way movement. So it's become W, and the three ways, the next is X, and the wave A followed by the X is the wave A is a leading diagonal. Okay, and then again the B wave, and then C wave is show what we are in here. So this is that one is a leading diagonal again for this, and this is the 2, and we are ended at the third wave here on that 1557.10 is the high of third wave is ended. So I am expecting the fourth wave to the 38.2 retracement from the 0 to 3. So this is my positional view. So we will go to my another live chart. This is already I posted for that my positional chart. So we will go to that live chart. It's in a trading view. So yeah, this is the 4-hour chart. We will make it to the 4-hour chart. So if we expanded this, yeah, this is the 1557.10 is the high. After that, this becomes a correction for that fourth bigger wave. Okay, and here if you switch to that 1 hour, you can find the zigzag movement from the 1557 to this low of 1484.65 20 is a low. So see here you can know that the 1 2 3 4 5 is a 5-way movement and becomes A for the correction, because we are in the fourth wave. Fourth wave is a corrective, so we need to labeling as A and followed by the three-way structure. It's a A, B and C. So this becomes the B, and again C is an ending diagonal because each wave is a 5, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. So it's each waves inside got a 3 waves for the 5 waves. So this is an ending diagonal in that C wave. So is a completed full correction for the simple correction ABC. So once if completed the ABC, we were looking for to shoot for the 5th wave, but this is a positional 4th wave. So the correction, it won't be a very simple and it won't shoot. The actual in the fourth wave only, the positional fourth wave, it's become too complex to trade. So again, the complex correction I'm expected as a complex correction. So once ABC in the zigzag movement is completed, and again there is an three-way movement. Okay, so it's everything is three-way movement. So three-way movement is ABC. It becomes W, and another ABC. It's a bigger ABC. So it's again ABC is X, and here you can know that it's already crossed this low of 1484.20 to make a new low of 1483.06. so it's already traveled below this W wave. So once it's crossed that W wave low, so this is become X as a maybe a running flat, or it could be a expanded flat. Running flat means it didn't cross above this W. Okay, so this another, if 1524, we need not to break that high. So I expected, and we traded for this level up to this, and it's already broken this high of W, so it's become the expanded flat. Okay, once the expanded flat is, it's already broken that W's low and then the W high for that Y waves completely. Okay, so it's everything's W, and everything is finished in X, and we are now to that A wave. Okay, so from this high is 1535.40 is the high. From here there is an, it's looked like a five wave, 1 2 3, and this is the whole thing is 4, and the fifth way got a 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5. So look at this, I will show you in this impulsive wave. This whole thing is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. This is the fourth wave is completed here, and the fifth wave got a 5. So it's already got the 5 waves for the A from that. Okay, it's a W X completed, and now the A is also completed. So now we need to look for that correction for the A wave. So correction for the A wave is three-way structure. So I'm expecting nearly the fib retracement minimum is 50% for that A wave. So nearly 1511 to 1517 I'm expecting to short here for the gold. So either it could be a triangle also in the another scenario, but it's a rare case because we already done here, and we already we thought it's an expanded expanded flat. So after once it's completed, it has to be a ABC only. Okay, so now if it is not a flat and it could be continue as a triangle means, so either this could finish from this high to this low as a ABC, and here it's looking like a 5 waves, and again 1 2 3 4 waves. Okay, and again we need to be for the triangle to end for the B wave, as a three-way structure to complete the B wave, and then C wave for the three waves, and again three wave for the D, and again three wave for the E. So this would be a triangle also. So once the triangle has completed, and we are looking for that fifth wave to the upside as a target for around 1600 to 1625 in future incoming days. And the guys, if it is in a bigger flat, so we will expect it to that level for that 1450 or 1460 zone, and we have a bullish channel also here that will take a support. See, here is a bullish channel. Okay. From the wave to the wave 4, and this is a wave 1, and it's completed here the wave 3, so it's completely bullish channel. So it may take a support here, and this is also my one more trend line passes through here, and everything merges here. This zone is a 1450 to 1460 zone, and the correction channel is also from that. It's already getting rejected, and now we are in the downtrend. So is either Y, B and C. I'm looking for this area. So once it's completed here, and buyers will be there for that fifth wave. Okay, so this is my gold analysis for this coming weeks. I'm expected it may go to the 15-17 level in the three waves, and again the five-way movement will be there from the 1520 to the 1450. Okay, so as per this gold analysis is my personal view, and I will trade according to this only. And I already posted that in trading view in past. See, these are my analyzing. I have already posted today for that same view, and I already posted on Friday. Before that also, once again I will already posted September 25th regarding this gold, and we are in this movement of 1535 at the moment. I have already posted it could be another 7 swing movement to the upper side for the 1546 level, else it can come like this also to that 1498. So it's already done this. See, once we have press this play button, so see how it reacted to my analysis, what I am expected. So once this trend line was broken, this valid that 7 swing view is get invalid. So we already took the profit here only, and now I have bought it here the 1489 and booked profit at 1500 on the Friday. It's a bigger movement, little bit around $10 we booked the profit. So again I'm expected little bit for the B wave what I have explained previous, the 1517 to 1520 may get rejected. So we can see that, and same thing I have already done for the USD JPY. Yeah, that is also in the Friday moment. See, is USD JPY. So I already posted here, because you can follow me in the trading view. It's also same NMK Vijay, and I will post, keep on every day, and I will give that new chart. I will post every time when I get a new view, and keep on changing my views, and I won't update it in the old chart. I will post the new only. Okay, you just beware of that. See, I shorted at 118.015, 118.15, and it made a high of 118.17, and I get rejected. That here, that zone is the resistance zone, the previous resistance zone. And for this also, so I already shorted here, and I took the profit for the Friday. So we will look for the Monday. So again it will get rejected in this zone as much as can. It's consolidating here. We have a chances to again ABC to the downwards. Okay, we will let's see on that USD JPY. Okay, this is a all trading view. I have already posted a lot of ideas, just because I'm new and I need to explain everything, my analysis in the past also. So I have done this. So let's we will move to the USD JPY. And friends, this is English is not my first language, so it's a little bit tough to me to record this video. So if anything, it's a mistaken in the grammars like that, please apologize, and we will look more to the USD JPY. Okay, so first of all I need to show you that like the gold, how I show you that positional low. So I have already gotten view of USD JPY in the positional view. Okay, yeah, this is USD JPY as a positional view. I already did that, and I already posted. Okay, this is an you need to this is an daily chart analysis from that 119 or 112 as a high. There is a W, A, B, C. It's a W, W, and the bigger X, and this is one more W. It's a A, B, C. So this is called as A, B, C. So three ways is marked as an W, and another 3 ways is X. So every three waves means we need to label as a W only. Okay, so if you are switch to that smaller time frame, you will get an idea about these things, why we are making the W instead of A. So A means we need to place only the 5 waves. After the 5 waves completing, only we have to need to place A. So here is lot of overlappings, and if you switched into that 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, you can well know about this 5 waves, and then again 3 waves, and then again 5 waves. It's like AB is equal to CD pattern, what that harmonic traders will trade like. Same thing, the AB is equal to CD pattern is called as a W also here. Okay, and if it is in longer 5 way, we can make it as A. And this is expanded flat in the B wave, and it's completed here the X wave. So that's what I mentioned here, wave X is an expanded flat. Okay, once we broke the low of A and then high of A wave, so it's called as expanded flat, and followed by ABC. So it's a bigger ABC, it's a W, and this is a connecting wave for the complex correction. We are in the complex correction for this bigger movement here on the left side of the chart. So once it is completed this connecting wave for the 3 waves, and again ABC has to come. So what happens here, it's ABC, it's simple, and again that X or BY will be the complicated to trade. So what happens here is, I thought it previous is a A, but it's looking like A B C 1 2 3 4 5, so it's A B C, it's a W. So I have updated in the new chart. So this is an A is not valid now, it's a become W, and after that it's A B C, it's X. After completed X, we will have to trade another A B C. So once the A B C is completed, here it's X, and another A B C has to break this low of 104.44. we need to break this to complete the whole corrective structure in the complex correction. So we will switch over to the live chart, the USD JPY, and this is the live chart. So I will the full screen. Okay, see, and my ambition is to create awareness for the all traders. Need to learn. It's not only the Elliot waves. You need to be, if you are interested in harmonic, you can learn that. Or Fibonacci, support and resistance, divergence, stochastic. It's a lot of variations is there, a lot of tools is there to use everything. I'm not suggesting only the Elliot waves is a profitable strategy, but I'm keep on earning with that help of the Elliot wave. So usually I will suggest only that, because I know only the Elliot waves, not other tools. So I am creating the awareness of the my in Facebook page also. I'm giving that same name in the NMK Vijay analyzers and commodities. Yeah, I will show you my page. So this is my page, and this is my art. I'm a pencil sketch artist. So Dhoni, Sachin, everything here, they are my inspiration in the childhood days. And after that Dhoni came, I forgot Sachin, now it's Dhoni. So I have already done that, the Dhoni, Sachin's, everything in my pencil sketch. This is my hobby. So this is my, so that's what I have posted my pencil sketch art as my profile picture to everything. So you can follow in the Facebook pages also. So I will you can follow me in Twitter also. Twitter in same name, everything is in same name, NMK Vijay. You can follow here, and you will get and keep on, I will post, keep on updated for the every post if I have got a new idea. But in the YouTube channel, I will make the video. I'm not giving to any updation in that, because of the only that weekend only I can do that weekly analysis. So you can follow me for that updation, but this is not for trading, only for that educational purpose, not for the investment purposes. I will clearly mention that. See, every poster time is for educational purposes only. Okay, you can learn Elliot waves, how I'm analyzing those things in that market. You can do in commodities, not only the Forex. With the help of this Elliot wave theory, you can learn, you can apply that into that equity market also. And I have already done for that Infosys and Bajaj Finance for the Indian stocks. So, and that is also in good profit, but I'm not trading that. So just for the client and for my friends, I'm helping and analyzing, and I'm giving to them also. So I think they will be happy in my analysis also. Okay, so let's move on to that USD JPY. So your daily to 4 hours. Okay, now we have to trade for that X wave. This is the final of the X wave. So X wave got A, B, C. After finishing the A, and then B, and then only C. So again we switched into the 1 hour time frame. So we will get, so it's a completed 1 2 3 4 5 as a A, and currently we are on the B. So from here everybody is looking for to shoot that market to that 108.5 and above, but I stick to my analysis, not to hear about those things, those analysis. So here the 1, you can see that 1 2 3, and this is the 4, and this is the 5. Once the 5 waves completed as per, that swing next is corrective waves to the downside, at least 50% retracement for the bullish swing. So, and it's already, it's a major support zone here. I have placed here. This is the one already done. Otherwise, if it is a little bit deeper correction, it can make, this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this is a 50% zone I am expecting here. After that, here is a one more support zone. This is a support zone. So if happens here, it's a little bit deeper correction, you can see that further declining for that 105.65 also. So we need to trade from sell to buy, not buy and sell as per, and stop has to place here only. I already done that short here. I already mentioned that. So stop loss is also a little bit critical one, because trading in the X wave or B wave, it can go above this W or A wave and then it will fall because of that irregular flat pattern. So usually the stop has to place here for the regular flat pattern or something else correction, but if it is a flat pattern of irregular corrections like expanded flat or running flat, so it can hit this stop loss. So that is the variations, that Fibonacci retracement for the 1.272. so it can travel up to maximum level is 109.10 also. Okay, and again it will fall down to here as a running flat or here as an expanded flat. So there's a lot of possibilities is here, so we don't want to mind that, but we need to be aware of that X wave can travel more than this also. So once the stop loss hit means my because I won't usually place the stop loss because of that X wave or B wave, I won't place the stop loss because it can travel go to 109. So what will happen means once it crosses, I remove my stop loss, not to hit, because I will do trading according to my money management, according to my capital. Okay, not even 1% also. My risk is not above the 1%. Sometimes it will go above the 2% or 3% also, but I won't place stop loss for the X wave or B wave. Be sure that, but people and friends don't do like that, because if you are a beginner, you will get panic here, and then your money will lose here, and then again it will come to your target zone. So if you are well know about that Elliot waves, how that will react in the X wave and the B wave, you know how to manage them in the regular flat or irregular flat. So you can do without that, without the stop, but it's not at a good for the people, for the beginner traders. So once you get deep into the Elliot waves, you come to know where to place the stop loss for that, which kind of wave we need to place stop loss where. So first you learn that, and then in my future videos you can learn lot of things. It's not only that Elliot waves, There's a lot of things we need to learn, not only the buy and sell. According to that, there is a lot of money management, risk management, what kind of trader you are. So a trader, it's not only the buy and sell. Okay, you in later videos I will explain that also. So first we will come to this USD JPY. I'm expecting that Y wave has to finish here 106.6 or even little more deeper correction, so 105.6 also in the coming days. So once that USD JPY is falling means gold has to go up. So in my gold has to go up means we will move on to the gold chart. So here there will be a drop in the UJ means gold can travel this zone. Okay, so this is my correlation between the UJ and the gold. Okay, so once the gold started moving to making deeper corrections to the 1530 also. Okay, so and UJ probably has to come down to my target level. Okay, so I think people, you can understand this correlation between the UJ and the gold. Okay, so what else we need to move on to that USD CAD. So USD CAD, and one more thing I need to show you, that positional for that USD CAD. Then only we come to know how to trade those things in that shorter time frame. We'll pass this. So everything we need to, according to the Elliot waves, we need to label, keep ready for every, if it is scalping also, we need to know where we are in the correction wave or impulsive wave. So according to that, if once it's all get ready, we can move for the scalping also, or intraday, or a swing, or positional, what kind of trader you are. Okay, so it's already I have done, I completed my work in the USD CAD. So currently I'm expecting the X zone. Okay, so A, B, C, it's already finished. A, B, C equal to W, or it could be the end of X wave also here. It's a bigger X wave. It's a double bracket X, and this is a double bracket W. Okay, so either it could be a W or double bracket X. We will move on to another A, B, C. So another, if it is anything, it's a W or double bracket X, we need to know that A, B, C after that to complete the X or another W. Okay, so for the beginners it will be very confused, I am telling. So you just learn that Elliot wave stuffs, the basic Elliot wave, 5 wave, 3 wave. Okay, and let's move on to this. Okay, once 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave ended, it's in W, and this is W, another W. It's a complex correction here. Okay, is after the W everybody put X and then ABC, but that market happens here, it's very zigzag kind of everything overlapping. So I come to a conclusion, so this would not be a Y wave. As expected, the same thing, it has certain fall as a 5 wave structure here. So this is an W, and after that X could be a running flat, because once it crosses the high of W, this thing X, and again A, B, C, and again A, B, C, and then again A, B, C, it's called as a 5 wave corrective pattern also. The 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, and this is a 5. So we are in the Y of X wave in the running flat, I'm expecting. So we are now here in this zone, we are here, we are in this red downward. Okay, you understand this? If you want, you can make a screenshot also. Okay, I will move on to this, to the live chart, trading view and USD CAD, and we have moved in this. I will show you that it's a daily chart. See, we are on this here. It's a W, and we will move on to the forward chart. Okay, yes, see here, you can now understand this is a W, and this is the 5-way corrective pattern. Okay, it's not yet finished, we are still here. I'll switch to the 1 hour for the shorter time period. So this is a W, and followed by the 3 waves, and so another W, and this is an expanded flat of a W in the X wave. Again, what happens here is a 5-way movement of A followed by WX, and this is A, and we are in the B, and the C way has to come here. It's a bigger A, B, C. Once A, B, C, and we are in the 5-way corrective pattern, this one. So 1, okay, A, B, C, W, and again A, B, C, X, and then followed by A, B, C. Okay, so here I am expecting that X wave can end it here. So if we, for the intraday movement also, see here, the C wave got, it should be in 5 waves only, right? C wave. After that's A completed, the B is in correction wave, and C, this could be a leading diagonal for the first wave, because see, every wave we didn't know about this. Is everybody looks like it's a corrective, so A, B, C, it can shoot out there. So it's a correction is consolidated and accumulating here, either distributing or accumulating. We can't identify that. So here for my view is, it's a leading diagonal, it's got a 3 waves, so that could be finished here, first wave ABC1 and ABC2, and this is ABC3, and this is in the running flat pattern of the 4 here, A, B and C. See here, this is also a 5-way movement, 5-way pattern, and this is a 3-way, and here is also a 5-way. So this is A, and followed by B, and followed by C for the 4th wave as a running flat. Okay, and this is the 5-way, A, B and C. Understand, mates? So in Monday, I think so, I already placed the order at 290 to sell, 1.32920, and place a stop loss of 1.3320. So this is my stop loss, and I already posted that too in the trading view. Okay, so this is my complete analysis, and I will give you the market commentary in here. So you can, if you know that Elliot waves, you can understand this market commentary also. Okay, so here I have already written that it's previous, I thought it could be a triangle also. So it's everything get invalid, and now I am come to a conclusion here. Okay, so it might be a leading diagonal, and Monday it will be a, for the second wave correction, It's a leading diagonal, means it's a impulsive to the bearish wave. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So after the 5-way completion, we will expect the 3 ways to that upper side for the 2. Okay, it's already done A, and we are now in the B wave and followed by the C wave. I think Monday or Tuesday we will get this entry zone to the bigger third wave to break this 1.133, and then to make a third wave, and then fourth wave to the fifth wave to the target. Okay, so once it's get completed, look at this A, okay, and followed by that B here. It's a simple, it's a nothing else. See, this is a ABC, it's a W, and another ABC is an W, and X ABC. Okay, it's a followed by, it's everything is in three ways only in W. Okay, after the completed here, I'm expecting to shoot here up to 1.3450. This is my swing trade. Both are swing trade only. Okay, this is also swing trade, and after this completion I will be buy here to the target of 1.3450. It has to end it here, and we have a trend line, bearish trend line also. So everything will merges, and this is in bullish trend line, as also already retested here. Look this. So I am again expecting it can retest up to 1.3450. At that time, this crude here, it has be a pullback, because we already down from that 63 zone to already came yesterday at 54.82 something, 86. I have placed the order at 54.8, but it came to 54.86 is the low, so I missed by 6 pips, and it shooted to again 56.3 something. So I missed the trade in the crude. So at the time, the crude, if it has to be in a pullback, so this once how that gold and UGI is correlation between those things, the UCAD and the crude is a correlation between these two. Okay, so once there is UCAD is coming down, the crude will going up, so it will be a retracement between from 54.86 to 63. So again it will retrace that 58 to 60 zone. So at that time we will get that UCAD to the downside. Once it gets started to bounce to the for the Y wave, we will see that more downside in that crude oil to broke that 50 level. Okay, so I will explain that also. So now it's a clear view in UCAD also, right? Okay, so let's move on to Euro USD. So before moving that, I will show you my positional positional chart of Euro USD. Yeah, this is my positional wave count, and I already posted in the trading view and in my analyze page, Facebook page show. So see, this is a 5-wave pattern here. It's ended here. It's a ABA and ABC. It's a B, and C wave got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the beauty of this Elliot waves. See, after the one C is also an ending diagonal. In that ending diagonal, the 5th wave is also an ending diagonal. So that is the thing that everybody will suffering a lot of things and make confused. So everything is in 3 waves, and it's not going if it goes up and then again it's coming down. So a lot of people has lose the patience to trade this. Even myself also, once it get cleared and then I'm in longer from that Thursday and Friday I added one more at that lower range at 1.0917. I added that. So look, we will move on to that live. Okay, you just, if you need, you can make a screenshot of this and then we will move to that live chart. Okay, this is Euro USD. Yeah, see, I told you, right, is a fifth wave, and fifth wave is also an ending diagonal. I will come to this from the daily chart and then you can do know. Okay, see this. This is a A, this is a B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fifth wave is also an ending diagonal. Okay, I will show you here. Ending diagonal means everything is in 3 wave. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 1, and again 1, 2, 3. If you switch to that 4 hours, then only you can to know this is a 3-way pattern. It's not, it's looking like a 5-way, but I already mentioned in my previous chart also, this is not a 5-wave. This is a 3-wave. This is a B and C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's look like an impulsive, but it's not an impulsive. Okay, so is a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, and for this ABC is a 3rd wave completed, and here is the 4th wave, A, B, and C. This is the NFP candle or ECB, I think so. Sorry, it's a ECB meeting candle. It's a bigger one. I won't follow the fundamentals, but that fundamental only boosts the technicals to reach my target. So I don't know, and I will forget about that ECB, NFP. I won't give the more concentration in that, but I will look at news event. I don't close any position at any time what I'm having that. Okay, it's not a greedy word, it's my experience. See here, this is a A, this is a B, and this is a C. Okay, it's completed with the 4 waves, and 5th wave is also come to an end in the same diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it may be one more down because of this, could be another one more leg down, but not too far. Okay, we already in the reversal, I think so, and I won't use any indicators, nothing in my chart, only that I'm using that divergence to saw the divergence in the stochastic. So you can our MACD is a very rare, so stochastic. It's a daily, and this is a 4 hour. So we already getting the divergence here in the 4 hour, and we already crossed this in 4 hour. Here cross is already taken, it's a bullish. Let's see in the daily. I won't see every day like this kind of is. I'm using only for the divergence only, so it's not a cost for this. Okay, so now what else? And finally the same thing is DXY. Okay, it's a dollar index. According to my, it has to break this 99.37. it's a high, so it's already we done. It's a 29 something high. Yeah, 31 it's already high, so it's nearly on Monday it will take a reverse. Once it went high above this 99.37, once that pattern is completed here, the same thing, what is the inverted pattern, inverted for the Euro USD. So this is also 1 2 3 A, okay, ABC 2, ABC 3, and this is ABC 4 and ABC. It's a 5. It will complete it on Monday, I think so. Monday or Tuesday you will get a reversal. So Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro dollar, JPY USD, so everything will bounce from once it reached that 99.37 and completed that whole thing. Okay, I will switch to this my analysis. See, this is also a beautiful chart to analyze everything, to know that. So this is also an ending diagonal in the fifth way. How that Euro USD, it's already done, I think so. So it will a little bit. There are only the 5 to 6 pips is to make a high. Okay. I think you enjoyed my analysis. So you give your valuable comments in my channel below. Okay, sorry for if anything mistaken in my English. In later days I can also do better than this. And one more thing, we already done USD CAD, USD JPY, yeah, everything is finished. Euro USD DXY, yeah, USD chef we will do on the next week. Okay, I have already done that. So it's already 1 hour it's passed, so we will move on to the next week. So this is my first video. Thanks for watching this video, and keep sharing to your friends also, and thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next week. Okay, thanks a lot.